To install JDK, you can either double-click the executable file we've downloaded or right-click the executable file, then select the Run as Administrator option to run it. If you see the User Account Control dialog box, click Yes to continue. Click Next to continue. You can either choose to change the JDK installation folder or choose the default installation folder suggested. Here, we're gonna just go with the default installation folder. Click Next to continue. Now you have the option to change the JRE installation folder or go with the default installation folder. Here, we're gonna go with the default installation folder. Click Next to continue. Done. We are finished with the installation. Click Close to finish. Now that we are finished with the JDK installation, we can check the JDK version one more time on our system by going to the command prompt and typing in the command java -version. We can now see that our old JDK version has been replaced by the new one.